Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily insert any signature in Microsoft Word. Let's begin. First, open your document, and then once you're here, most likely you're going to insert your signature in this area. So the first method is to insert or upload your image that you already have. For example, I'm going to click on insert, select pictures, this device, and then I'm going to select an example signature that I have generated right over here. Then I'm just going to resize this so it will fit in the in one page. So let me make it like this. Okay. So you can also right click, wrap text. For example, if you want this to be in front of the text, you can do that. Or wrap up behind text. You can make some adjustments if you want to. Now the next method would be to draw your signature on Word. So I'm going to erase this, and you can click on draw right over here, or depending on the version of Word you have, just click on insert, and it should be just right beside the pictures. Okay. Then it should pop up a new window where you can easily scribble and draw your signature. But in my end, I'm just going to select this. I'm just going to scribble a signature, for example, that. Once you're done, there you go. You can also make some adjustments, drag it into the perfect position. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.